In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Smartsheet. We're going to walk through the very first steps you need to get a brand new dashboard up and running. Even though this is a short process, I'll explain what's happening at each stage so you understand not just what to click, but why you're clicking it. Start by opening Smartsheet and signing into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different options such as Home, Browse, and so on. In that sidebar, find the option labeled Create. This is where you'll start whenever you want to build something new in Smartsheet, like a sheet, a report, or in this case, a dashboard. Go ahead and click on Create. When you do, Smartsheet will open a panel or window that shows you different types of items you can create. Take a moment to look at these options so you're familiar with them. But for now, focus on the one labeled Dashboard. Click on Dashboard. This tells Smartsheet that you want to build a new dashboard rather than a sheet or another kind of item. After you select it, Smartsheet will begin the setup flow for a new dashboard. Depending on your view, you might see options for templates or a blank dashboard, but the key thing you're looking for is the button that lets you actually begin. On the screen that appears, you should see a button labeled Get Started. This is your confirmation that you're in the right place to create a new dashboard. Go ahead and click Get Started. Once you click that, Smartsheet will create a new empty dashboard for you. From here, you'll be able to start adding widgets, charts, reports, and other elements to display your data. This is where you can customize the layout, connect it to your existing sheets and reports, and really turn it into a central hub for your project or team. To quickly recap, you open Smartsheet. Use the Create option in the left